Hi robots, I'm Frozen. You're watching I Love I. My name is Nate, and this is the Hungry Bear.
What's up, what's up?
And today we're here in Ventura County, and we're checking out Mom and Pop's Tacos. So this spot is known for home-cooked Mexican food, right?
Home-cooked Mexican food. Tacos, quesadillas, burritos, everything.
And they got a secret menu.
Secret menu items.
So follow them, come join us, let's go. Alright, so we're here in Ventura, and I'm fucking tripping, but I'm here with Hungry Bear, and he took us to Mom and Pop's Tacos. So Manny, tell us about this spot.
So this spot is a local favorite, very good tacos, burritos, and this right here is Mexican pizza. All right.
You got a big Mexican pizza right there.
You got
a bunch of tacos.
Bunch of tacos. What was that? That was the birria tacos right here with the
consomme sauce.
Consomme sauce. This could drink that. It's good stuff. Then you got a wet burrito.
So what's in this wet burrito?
Steak, rice, beans, and these sauces right here, which are. Do you remember the sauces?
Yeah. So this is. I know this is their green sauce. This is their mango habanero sauce. This is their red sauce. And this one right here is their blueberry, what is it called? Raspberry?
Blueberry.
Oh, blueberry.
Ghost
Blueberry
pepper.
ghost pepper sauce.
So we're going to try all this out. Try that out.
Oh, it's good.
Good.
It's not that bad.
All right, sounds good. Let's get to eating. Let's try everything out.
All right, so I want to start out with this Mexican pizza right here.
Oh,
So
no,
am I supposed to put this lemon?
Sprinkle some on top.
You already dropped one in there somewhere. I don't know where it went though. Oh, there it is.
All right.
You try it first?
Yup.
Try it out.
So I just take a slice.
Looks pretty bomb.
So they just put cheese. They put like some of the green sauce, the red sauce on over it. And what is that?
El Pastor.
El Pastor.
Yes. It's good.
That's good. So much better than Taco Bell Mexican pizza.
Try this guy out right here. All right.
You're gonna go for the spicy side? Or?
Yeah, I'm gonna go for the spicy side. Strawberry Reaper sauce right here. This one. So I'm gonna try it out. All right.
Is it hot?
It's good.
It's not hot, but that sauce is fire, bro.
Yeah.
In a good way. It's sweet. Has a little kick. That burrito's on point. And like that thing is just huge. This thing's massive. You can like literally share this with somebody. And both of you will be stuffed. They got this mango habanero sauce, right? And they actually sell it at certain stores now, like these health stores.
Yeah, you said health food stores.
Yeah, health food stores have it just because it's like low sodium. And it's all natural ingredients that they use. Right here.
All right.
So let's try this one. Oh, yeah. Taking that bottle with me. This is freaking good.
Liquid gold, right?
Where have you been all my life?
Let's try these tacos, man.
So, one thing I like about this place is like, you can really taste the home cooking. And like, you know, there's a lot of, here in California, there's a lot of different places where you can get Mexican food. But what I've noticed is like a lot of times it's like one, the meat. You have to get quality meat.
Tortilla.
Has to be good, and then also the sauce. The sauce has to be on point because if you don't have good sauce,
Gotta have. Look at all the sauces right here.
Yeah. So we got the same sauces we had on the burritos. We got here.
You got chicken, pastor, and
Asada, right?
asada.
Yeah,
And these are jalapenos and onions.
If you want to kick it up a notch with the spice, they chopped
Grilled,
it up.
chopped.
They weren't lazy. They chopped it up. Hey, you can learn something from them, right? Chop it up.
So let's do this, man. What kind do you want?
Dude, I love meat. I'm like so I'm gonna go with asada, but I'm gonna use some of this mango. Oh, look at that.
Let me try this guy right here. All right, this is my pastor.
I got lost in that. That was so good.
It's good.
Oh. That sauce, I think this is my favorite sauce, like hands down. This mango habanero sauce is just like fire.
Okay, no, absolutely, he's an 8. Look at just the descriptions alone. The report.
I can eat that all day.
Idealistic.
I
Amazing.
can eat that with everything. And we still got the chicken taco too.
Try it out, man. Very good.
So
The individual is sensitive or withdrawn type.
we're gonna make the chicken a little spicy.
The investigator. The intense.
These guys'
sauce.
sauces are dope.
Off the hook.
Yeah, they're so good.
Sweet, spicy.
And you feel the home cooking. Oh, that's so good. These are the birria tacos. The moment they came here, I tore apart, took a couple bites. They got this consomme sauce on it. So how do they make this, basically?
I think the dad makes it
Yeah.
from scratch. They don't do it all the time. They just do it once a week or once every 2 weeks. Special menu item.
Oh, really? So this is a special menu.
Special menu.
So you gotta be a regular to know about this stuff,
Oh yeah,
right?
yeah. Definitely a local thing.
See, we're teaching you the inside tips right here. Just the tips. Oh, that's so good.
Crunchy.
Dude, where have you been in my whole life? This is so good. This goes so good with it.
Sauce.
I can just drink this by itself. So they hop from different locations, right?
They hop from different breweries, events, all that stuff.
And cool thing about Ventura, they got a lot of breweries here.
Yeah.
Seems like it's like a
Beach town.
beach town, and they like to do a lot of beer drinking,
Beer drinking,
eating.
all that stuff.
Sounds like a good time. But hey, right now, I think my favorite has to be this.
Amazing. So bomb.
That was
Birria tacos.
Birria tacos. Birria tacos are so bomb with this sauce.
And that.
What? What did I say? Did I pronounce it?
Birria.
Bir-
Birria tacos are
What?
so good.
Birria. Say like a gringo, that's why.
Birria.
All right,
Birria.
dude. These
Birria.
birria. I gotta roll the R, right?
Gotta roll the R.
So these birria tacos are so good. In this consomme, it's on point.
So bomb.
I'm so proud of you, Nate.
Oh, I'm a little gringo today, right? You guys gotta come check this out. We're gonna put their information down below so that way you can follow them. They don't just have pretty pictures on Instagram. They have some dope food too.
Really good.
Yeah. Also follow Hungry Bear. This guy
Thank
knows
you.
a lot of good spots to eat. He knows a lot of good spots to eat. He's gonna show you around, especially the 805 area. You know, I know that you were telling me that the food here is like overlooked, right? Because
Yeah.
they got some really good spots. Hopefully we get some time to check out some more spots.
Definitely be checking out more spots.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, you guys gotta come back down.
And we're gonna have them on some more videos later on. Let us know if you want that. Let us know where
For
you
sure.
guys want to check out too. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can watch more videos just like this one. Follow this guy, follow them, so that way you can get some good ass birria tacos and some consomme. Get this damn sauce. Share this with your family and friends. because they'll love it. We'll catch you in the next video.
Fire.